All right. Today we're having an interview with two very bright young little boys who live in the Toronto beaches. And they're going to tell us about their perfect world.
One of the things are more trees in the city and less pollution and a better government.
And more like cars that don't produce bad pollution, they produce good stuff.
It's like
Be careful with the mirrors.
exactly what it is.
Was it like that you imagined it would be?
Yeah.
Even better,
Oh my
maybe?
God. Pretty much. It's so awesome.
Do you think we're going to need better roads if we have these kinds of cars? We're going to need roads in the
We're
sky?
gonna need like fatter roads, cause like the wings would be a lot more like longer to extend really hard.
But is it going to
Otherwise,
be?
it's just so cool.
Is it going to make room for more cars on the roads, do you think, if we have flying cars?
Cool. Yeah.
Do you think it's a pretty cool toy?
Awesome.
Do you think we're going to have some of those in your lifetime?
Definitely. It's awesome. I just can't thank you more. It's so cool.
Great.